how to make a persona for character AI in the right way. So if you want to make a persona in character AI, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your character.ai application. After opening, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need simply open the application and follow the simple steps to set up your own persona. So once you launch your character AI application on your device, once you're on the home page, proceed to the next step, which is navigate to the create section, which will be on the bottom. And then tap on create. For available options, you need to go and select the persona. And here you can define the details of your persona. So give it a name, set key attributes like put a gender, age or eye color, and the personality. You can add your likes, dislikes, behavior, and tone. And then after, you can also upload your avatar if you want to, but that is optional. You can add image to represent the persona. And once you're satisfied with the details, you need to tap on Save Changes, which will be on the bottom. And that's it. Congratulations, you have made a persona for character AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.